Guys, good morning. So guess who I met? The famous DIY with Caroline.
Hi.
Hebu salimia watu wangu wewe.
Kwaje watu wa Makena?
So this is the famous DIY Caroline. If you follow me on Instagram, I usually show her work. She does a lot to do with shelves and storage. Kweke watu storage.
Yes.
And selling flowers, you guys. Please check her out. I'll link the link in my description box and also the name just here. So yeah. So guys, today we are in Unicity again because we just want to see what varieties they have. So yeah guys. So guys, you can see how the China Square is fully packed. Each and every day it's always packed. Since the day people knew about it, they've always come here. And yeah, these are the varieties of toys they have, and they are more on the shelves. Mackenzie's code. I'm introducing to you DIY with Caroline. Please check her out on her YouTube channel and also on Instagram. If you want her services, you can check her out and see what she does. She makes floating shelves, which are good at in the bathroom, anywhere where you just want to use as storage. Check her out. She has good rates as well, and also subscribe to her channel, guys. Always in support to women doing business, and yeah, so it's good to help each other out in areas which you're good at. So she's good at this, and yeah, so please check her out and monetize her.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get
Karo section yakate sama huko 1,000 kg. This one is much higher. It's 12.50. So guys, in China Square, the curtains are a bit affordable, but as well they're not that big. I've shown you in the size of centimeters. So, and also the pricing also goes hand in hand in how the quality of the curtains is. 2,100 our mini curtains. This is 202 by 250. It's much bigger. There's some others for 700. This is 140 by 250 centimeters. Please, I'm saying them at 1 centimeters. 5 centimeters, 700, 700, and 140 by 250, 700 also. There's this one's for 900. I don't know why it's 900. Let me just check. Let me just check for this one. 140 by 250. I think this is much quality. It's 900. It's also for 1,200. 40. I think they are more, but 100% polyester. Lord. They're not. I think they're not that big. This is how they look. This is one texture, and then there's also this one. Another texture. So they're different texture, but I find them so they are polyester, guys. It's not cotton. This one's.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. you know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Guys, you can see how the shelves are empty. By the time I was reaching here, people have bought and bought. Like most of the things that I found on the one, they were not there. Most of the shelves were empty, and the few things were already like bought.
That this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait.
Aka mimi ndo nauliza juu sioni place zimewekwa price. Price iko na price hapa chini.
Ish, inakaa blanketi 8,500. Oh my god, but it's so soft. You have different colors. Like brown, white, black and white, brown. Kuna some.
Sikuwa nakumbuka naweza chukua na mikono yote mbili. Sasa hii ndio imehit. Na hizi mbona prices zao ziko clear? Ama kwani prices zao ziko? Oh, hii finally ndio hii price.
2,200. Kama niko kwa nyumba yangu siwezi tena ziko ile watu wanapika. Unapata ni
Oh, love. Ati naka?
Inasika.
Iko poa? Like the fidha issue.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know.
It's side.
Zima kuna
China Square, we're here. You guys, okay? We are finishing our morning in this mall. Oh my god. This one is so cute. I just love the fact that they're soft. This one is 5,000. 5,000. And then there's also, but there's a difference. This one has white and gold, and then this one for 2,800. Oh my god. Can I take a blanket?
Lakini I think the feather in this one is very different from the one in this one.
This one's 1,800. 1,500.
Na hii yako ni clear vizuri.
So when you plan to come here, please make sure that your stomach is full because you'll take longer hours when you're trying to go around the whole shop.
My mind, nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my
100. God. Hebu ninulie hii. Haki inakaa poa. Kama uweke hata chini. That one is 1,200, but it's a small one.
Ina tax.
18. Ama bado hizi hapana. Hizi ni kubwa kuliko zile tumeona za 18.
So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in.
You're done with China. Oh guys, we are so tired. We came here like we've used around 4 hours just being inside, and look at people are just coming in and kumeja kabisa. We are done. I'm telling you, it was a bad day to come because it's on a weekend, but at least we came early when people are not there. But sasa wamefika, ndio tunatoka. Very tired, overspent money that we didn't plan for. Like, as I told you guys, make sure you know what you want. Msikae kama sisi. Anyway, that is it. Subscribe to DIY with Caroline channel.
Subscribe kwa channel yangu.
Anasikika kweli? So guys, and sheewyn, subscribe also to her channel.
Support us.
Yes. Make sure you just support them, at least they get to 1K subscribers, you guys. Please do that for me. Na mkifika huko mnasema Shiko MacKenzie sent you there. So yeah. So I think we just want to find something to eat because we came in the morning, we need to eat food. Sasa sheewyn amepewa chakula tukimwangalia. We don't have like our own food right now. Karo is just browsing, akipigwa na harufu, apambane tu na hali yake. Oh my god, aki like if China Square has brought this restaurant back to life. So guys, that's how we spent our day. We just had to eat together before everyone goes to their separate ways. We just took the normal chips and sausage and mango juice, which was really nice. And yeah, so that's how we spent our day. I hope you enjoyed, and please make sure you subscribe to the girls channels. I'll place everything in the description box. Until next time in my next video, bye bye guys.